Hello everyone, we have on the show today Moses from Hey Solana. Hey Moses,
Hey, Faye.
you got what I did there, right?
Yes.
Nice one. Hey Solana has been buzzing. Literally, Hey Solana is your Siri bot on Solana. So tell me, what is Hey Solana?
So, Hey Solana is an AI voice powered wallet that helps you carry out transactions with your voice on Solana transactions basically.
Wow. Wow. So what brought about Hey Solana? Like, how did you even think about that?
So for Hey Solana, the idea came up from a thoughts like how can I make easy transactions on Solana? Like how can I do so? So we had different thoughts like how can I transact through SMS or how can I transact through USSD page? And then that was on how can I transact with voice start. So because of that, we just like okay, let's see, is it possible? And from there we found out that actually it's actually very possible. And then with the use of AI, it's very easy to convert your voice to actions and be performed on chain. And so that's how it's like.
Wow. So would you say you're a builder or you're an AI engineer or a developer? What's your stack really?
Okay, if concerning stack, I've actually done double a lot of stuffs. So I wouldn't say I'm an AI engineer because I didn't actually start from there, but I'm actually a builder. We do this a lot of stuff. Quite a lot of stuff. So some.
Wow, that's really impressive. So diving into Hey Solana exactly, what problem did you encounter that made you say like, you know what, I want to build a Siri on Solana, and how did you go about solving that problem?
Okay, one issue with the problem of Solana is getting to know applications that are on Solana. There are a lot of fantastic products on Solana that does fantastic stuff. Or I think they're not like this. There's no search engine for you to know what's product does. That's one. And also using the existing crypto wallets, it's not actually very easy and convenient. Understand? Crypto has a UX problem, user experience. So Hey Solana wants to actually solve that problem. And also as a server or assistant, it's connecting all other agents. Understand? So it gives you access to use Hey Solana for anything you want to do on chain, anything you want to do on chain. As long as that problem is being solved already, the application that does it, so I can connect to that and help you do that.
Wow, that means like non-Web3 natives can really do stuff on crypto and on Solana seamlessly.
Yes, without knowing much about it, or even having to understand the depth of what they want to do. We have a fantastic product that I've been presenting during this startup village, and I've actually seen how well we can use Hey Solana to actually connect these products together. I think the one that's talked about campaign of airtime yesterday.
Airbills pay.
Now imagine you using your voice to buy airtime. This one can do that because it can connect our system connect different applications and so we give access to that.
Wow. So this is a lot, right? Well, what makes you the right person to build Hey Solana? What experience do you have to say, you know what, I want to build a Siri on Solana?
Okay, so for experience, I want to say there's the particular reason why I'm the right person, because there are a lot of people that are actually better than me, that can do more than me. But I think one thing I have with myself is I have a passion. I'm very curious. Actually, I have once I set my eyes on a target, I actually set out to achieve that target, and that's what has been my drive since starting this and Hey Solana. Because it's actually not been easy. Start trying to build from a place of, I don't know how to put it, but not much again, but just have to put it with passion, with grit, and then that's what I know I have passion.
So y'all are the ones that started from
yes,
the trenches and then came up. Amazing stuff. So tell me, how long has Hey Solana been in development?
Okay, Hey Solana is still in development. We're not launched our.
No, like how long have you guys been?
Okay.
How long has it been?
I understand. I think we said December last year. So this is about 3-4 months now.
And all of this has already impressive. So what is your business model? How do you intend to make money off people okay, let's do this. Who are your ideal customers? Are you attending to the developers or one-on-one directly with these customers? How does it work with Hey Solana?
So Hey Solana is targeting different customers. That is the developers and also the end users. Understand? We are breaking down crypto UX for the users, making it easy for them to create wallets, also interact with protocols on chain, just with their voice, and also with a very easy to use wallet system. So we're targeting these are our main users, and also we have protocols on chain, developers on chain, so also targeting them so that they can actually get users to use our product. Start directly from this one.
Wow. So what's your business model? How do you intend to make money?
Okay, so for our business model, currently we are running a freemium model for our basic features, swapping, sending SOL and tokens and Solana. We also look at subscription models for all those premium packages that we actually want to have fun. Because when we're connecting these protocols, we're actually spending money, and then we actually we need to get subscription for those access to those features. So that's one of our business models.
Okay. So what is your go-to-market strategy? How do you intend to penetrate the market?
Okay, to penetrate the market, we actually trying to follow the community-based approach, trying to build a community of users of this application. So I think the best people that Solana on its own is powered by community. Understand? All other chains are there. You see the community is not as strong as Solana. That's why Solana is where it is today. The reach is actually wide. Right? So I'm trying to follow the mold and reach our mother chain are actually laid out for us by creating communities that can power our application by ourselves. Now, if we have a community, these are our main users that are using the application, then they can actually recruit others to use the application.
So basically, you're using a community approach.
Yes.
Amazing. That's great stuff. So, tell me, what are your milestones? What milestones have you achieved in terms of brands, traction, customers, already existing customers? So
for our milestones, okay, because currently we're working on our targets now. I think by the end of this month is to launch out our application for our beta tester. So we have around, I think, about 16 to 17 beta testers, closed beta testers. We're going to test the application thoroughly before we out to the market. And start making those transactions chain. So that's what we actually focused on. On the long run, which we are looking at the future of what we're building, is to create as we have a community, create tokens that can actually track. So we actually create since we have a community, we're going to build a community. We actually going to have a token that is actually powered by this community for governance and also features that are going to be on the application. So I think around my sense is to actually interact and get collaborations with other protocols and how to integrate Solana into application. Yes.
Right.
And now we're looking towards open source, but we've not actually based on that yet.
Amazing stuff you're building on Solana. So first of all, I know that you're a developer relations at Super Team Nigeria. So I know that Super Team has been fundamental to your growth process, right? Okay. So let's jump into the Super Team NG side of things, right? How has Super Team NG been fundamental, or how have they helped in your journey as a founder on Solana?
Okay, so Super Team is as it is. Super Team is a super team because it's. I don't think you come to Super Team and then be the same person in the next 6 months.
Right.
It changes you. It changes your mindset. I came in as a developer. I want to build stuff. But now I've grown into a founder. I start learning about products, how product works, how to pitch, how to plan my development phase, how to push it out, push products I should push out. How do I get customers?
Right.
How do I tell others about product? How do I many things actually, and this process is, I feel, is continuous. It has not stopped from the day I came in. It has just been continuous too. So there has been growth, actually, serious growth.
Amazing. So in a sentence, how would you describe Super Team Nigeria?
Super Team Nigeria is a powerhouse.
Wow.
That's how I describe it. It's a powerhouse. Wow. The work that's been done in Super Team Nigeria is massive.
Wow.
It's really nice.
I know that.
I'm not the only developer. I'm not the only founder. We've been here. You've seen crazy products.
Right.
Crazy products. Right. And it's just a team. Now, we're Nigerians. Let's be frank. We don't have all the resources that we have to build amazing stuff. Even though we have amazing ideas, But then we see a community that's pushing these founders, giving them the morale they need, the vibe they need. Then we're just pushing with strength and grit. So Super Team is a powerhouse.
Amazing. I think that's it. That's a beautiful description for Super Team NG. Once again, shout out to all our leads at Super Team NG for pushing us to be the best version of ourselves. Okay, so right now we're at Startup Village Nigeria 2025. What has been your biggest takeaway from Startup Village?
Okay, my biggest takeaway has been the sessions, breakout sessions we've had. So I think during our breakout sessions, because different founders, they pitch their products, and from the feedback we got to understand how to do things better, how to what part of our nation should be at the forefront, what are we going to, what are we putting out there first of all. So I think the breakout session has been nice, has been very great, has been learning a lot about different stuff on Solana basically.
Great stuff, you guys. This is Hey Solana. I don't even know his real name again. It's Hey Solana from me, okay? So thank you so much.
Thank you,
Moses. Yeah, thank you so much for coming on the show today. We're looking out for Hey Solana. I'm going to see great stuff. I want to be able to pick up my phone and say, Hey Solana, I want to send $10,000 to Moses, you know, that type thing. So thank you so much, Moses, and we'll see you around.
Okay.
Great.